Cruz, how you doing? This is Mari Cruz, Ranger the Gap between the rich and the poor, coming for the great state of Texas. And I want to talk to you about the Wiggle Report, because here it would explain to you how you can actually make money with crypto bots and the class to plan. I am talking specifically about a class, not a pooling thing. Nobody's going to take your money. It's about taking a class that's going to teach you what you need to know to make daily passive income. And if you go to cryptobotplan.com, you can get the Wiggle Report free. And this is how it looks. A story almost too good to be true. How to wiggle your way to passive profit with crypto, minute by minute. In this free report, you discover a way to tap into the crypto market that is unlike anything you've ever seen before. You'll discover how to use a certain kind of automation that can make you passive income within minutes, regardless of the market. If the market is crushing or crashing, you will make money this way. So all you do is come here and download, add your name, last name, and email, and submit. And when you do this, it's going to take you to this here, this beautiful report. And of course, we have a disclaimer that this is there's no guarantee you will learn any money using the techniques and ideas in these materials. Examples of the materials are not to be interpreted as a promise or guarantee of earnings. Earning potential is entirely dependent on the person using the ideas and techniques. We do not prepare this as a get-rich scheme. So you come here and you do that, and that's it. This is going to be gone when we are done with when we close our card. And this is where today is November 28th, 2021, and we're going to be closed soon. So December 2nd, we have a free webinar at 4 p.m. Central Time. You can, when you actually download the report, you're going to also get that link so that you can attend. If you can't attend live Zoom meeting, you will get a recorded version of it when they actually put it later after that night. So go there to cryptobotplan.com, like I said, and get your free report here. So I'm going to go. And this is Mari Cruz, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor. And this is time sensitive. November 28th, we're going to be done soon. This is a small window opportunity for you to find out how you can make money without working, how to make daily passive income in your pocket, not theoretical profit, from the first moment that you start a bot with the plan. Because you get the strategies and the parameters and everything you need to actually start without no knowledge as a newbie, to start making passive income daily from the beginning. If you need to get in the class, invest money in yourself, because you're the one that is taking care of everything, in the sense of you are in charge of everything, and read the benefits of this secret strategy. So I'll let you go. Take care. Check it out. Go to cryptobotplan.com to get your free report, Wiggle Factor, and to get your December 2nd at 4 p.m. Central Time Zoom webinar link. Take care.